Hello everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the font in Visual Studio Code. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Visual Studio Code tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is open on your computer. Customizing the font in Visual Studio Code can make your coding experience more comfortable and personalized. Whether you need a font that's more readable or just want to spice up your coding environment, changing the font is simple. Begin by opening the settings in Visual Studio Code. You can do this by going to the File menu, selecting Preferences, and then Settings. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+, on Windows and Linux, or Command+, on Mac OS. In the settings, search for Font. This will bring up the font settings where you can customize the font family, size, and more. To change the font family, find the Editor Font Family setting. Here you can type in the name of any font installed on your computer. For example, if you want to use FiraCode, simply type FiraCode into the box. You can also adjust the font size to suit your preference. Look for the Editor Font Size setting and choose a size that feels comfortable for your eyes. For those who love coding fonts with ligatures like FiraCode or Cascadia Code, make sure the Editor Font Ligatures setting is enabled. This gives your code a sleek, modern look. After making your changes, the editor will update immediately to reflect your new font settings. Play around with different fonts and sizes until you find the perfect combination for your coding style. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font in Visual Studio Code. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Enjoy coding with your new font setup, and I'll see you in the next video.